Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and today we are reviewing and unboxing and playing with the one and only Kinetic sand. Made with natural sand, probably with food dye, I'm guessing. Not suitable for 3 years and younger. Let's get into this box, eh? Okay, back again guys. It has a huge sandbox. Comes with a bag of Kinetic sand. It comes with three molds. A sandcastle mold, a starfish, a crab mold, and a spade with a fish.
Yep.
A spade and a rake. Let's open the bag up and tip it in the sandbox. It's just like normal sand, guys. It's like normal sand. Yeah. Oh, let's make a beach slide.
Yay!
Can I have that, Tyler? Can I have that, Tyler? It's like a ball. Let's make it awesome. Starfish. Okay, let's make an upside beach. Okay. Guys, Tyler, can you move here? Tyler, here.
Sit down. Wow, cool.
And the castle's done. Wow.
That's so
Pretty cool, guys. Let's make, let's write it down. Oh, that's pretty cool, guys. I love sand.
Ooh, look.
Guys, it's kind of funny, guys. So this is, it's actually not food dye, actually. I don't think it's food dye, guys. Look at that foamy kind of feel. Okay, let's all tip it out. Whee! Oh, that's so cool.
Make
So
another
cool.
castle and
Made a crab. I came in like a Oh yeah. Oh, crab. Let's put some in here. Yep. Guys, it's like frosting. Yeah, it's so good. Yep. It's so good. Oh, it's got a breeze. It's got it.
listen. Wow.
Yeah, no, made a starfish.
Mm.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Guys, we got it. Let's go. No, it's raining sand.
Raining sand.
Oh, this is epic, guys. Epic. Tyler.
No.
Ooze with the fin. Oozing. It's a bit like slime, but sand. Oozy. I made a ball. The crab is dying. Okay, it's nice. And it's easy to clean up because it's not gooey. It's sticky though. It's sticking to my fingers. A star crab, and a mansion. A mansion. A mansion. And a beach. Karen? That's about it for the video, and that's about it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up today. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It would be really appreciated. Same color as this crab mold. Same color as my brother's shirt. Same color. That's about it. So, I'd like to see you next time. Stay tuned. There's going to be some more videos uploaded today. And that's about it. See ya. Peace.